Kambi moro mar piny Kenya dhi telo e gedo mar boma manyasani midendo ni Smart City e boma ma Kinshasa e piny Congo e kinde ma pinje mag Afrika ma ugwe nitiere kod udi kopim kod dwach oganda. Kambi mong'ere kaka AFLC Group noyier mar chiwo paro maliw motenre kod gedo mar udi manyasani go e boma ma Kinshasa. Jakom mar MC Telcom Sam Yungu, ma en kambi mabiro tiyo gi AVLC mane loso e boma Kinshasa, okwayo kembe mawuok e pinje mag Afrika ma ugwe mondo riwre lwedo e timo ohala e kindgi kod pinje mamoko maoko.
This vision is in line with the 2018 United Nations Population Division report that states that 55% of the world's population lives in urban areas, where the number is supposed to be increased to 65% by 2050. This growing number demands well-planned, adequately efficient cities that back up their smooth functioning and well-connected environment. Fabricating smart cities means making them aware of the facts that help rectify problems and how various systems of the city work individually and as a network. Guided by world standards comparable to other smart cities globally, City Lipamboli is nestled on 40 hectares, designed to feature the following: multi-story condominiums, bungalows, a level 4 hospital, a school, a train station, water theme park, a mall, green parks, a four-star hotel, a club,